Guys, welcome back to another Davinci Resolve editing tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to transform the size of any clip or any image in Davinci extremely easy. This is something for beginners who don't maybe understand Davinci quite yet. We've all been at that point before. Honestly, Davinci is pretty intimidating, especially if you've never edited before or if you're just coming from something more simple. Like for me, when I started with a program called Shotcut, which is a free program that is very, very good for very simple and shitty edits, but it's so simple and so bad, basically. But anyways, that's besides the point. Basically, if you don't already know how to get a clip into the timeline, there's tutorials to how to do that. But basically, let me just delete this just to show you. In this section, you're gonna right click, import media. And I'm not gonna do that because it's gonna show me my fucking media stuff. So I don't want to do that quite yet. But you basically import, double click on any video, and you just drag it into the timeline. Make sure it's on video and audio 1. And then once you have it selected, I'm gonna mute this just because I don't want the audio to be playing. But once you have it selected, just click on it once. Go to the video tab. This is where all of the stuff to do with this clip is located. And you can just use the zoom. If you kind of hold click on it and drag your mouse to the right, it zooms in. Drag it to the left, it zooms out. You can also just double click and do 1.4, and it just zooms in like that. Also, a quick little side note, this little chain icon is selected by default, but if you unselect it, it changes. It lets you change the X and the Y zoom independently. So basically the X is now 2, but the Y is 1. Almost never do you want to do that. You almost always want to have them linked. So if the X is 4, the Y is 4, just to keep it a square resolution. And there's also another thing I'm going to show you quickly, because this helped me out so much when I figured it out. When you're changing the position, I know this isn't what you clicked on the video for, but this is very helpful. It's so annoying having to do it like this to get it lined up perfectly. If you don't want to do that, and you want to just actually drag it with your mouse by clicking and moving your mouse on the timeline, you can't do that normally. But basically, to the bottom left of the player window, there's this little box. Click it, and you can do it now. I don't know, that helped me out so much when I figured it out. And if you scroll in, that doesn't actually change the zoom, by the way, of the clip. That just changes the fit of the actual player window. So don't get fooled by that. Anyways, that's my little beginning guide to, I guess, zoom and position. That helped you out in any way. Drop a like, drop a sub. I do a shit ton of editing tutorials, from beginner stuff to semi-complicated stuff. So if there's anything you need to know that I haven't already made a video on, please let me know in the comments and I will do it. I am kind of hungry for video ideas right now, so please feed any you have to me. But yeah, drop a sub, drop a like, and peace out.